Hi everyone, this is Nicola from Elimee Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a foundation single crochet. Now, foundation stitches in general tend to make your life a lot easier. It means that you don't have to do the initial chain and then working back through each loop of the chain, which can be a bit fiddly. Your chain can get twisted. This avoids that entire problem completely. And it's particularly helpful with patterns such as the Aphrodite cushion cover and the Wacko Dance blee blanket. So all you need is the yarn that you're working with, a crochet hook that's the appropriate size for your yarn, and the pattern that you're making. So to start with, we're just going to make a slip knot, pop our hook through the knot and pull tight. Next, we're simply going to chain 2, and then starting from the chain that is furthest from your hook, so 1, 2 of the 2 chains, you're going to put your hook through the loop, you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So you should now have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull up through 1 loop. You're going to yarn over again and pull it up through 2 loops. So you've now made your first foundation single crochet. As you can see, you've got the V that you would normally see on the top of your stitch. And you've also got a small V on the bottom, which is going to be where you make your next stitch. It's really important when you do each of these stitches that you don't hold your tension too tight. Otherwise, instead of having a nice straight line of foundation single crochet, you're going to end up with a bit of a sad face type shape, which isn't going to be great for your project. So to make the next stitch, you find that V that we pointed out on the bottom, you wiggle your hook through like so, and then you repeat the process. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And you're just going to repeat this process as many times as you need for your pattern. As I said, each one is its own foundation single crochet, so you don't have to worry about the whole starting in the 2nd, 3rd, 4th chain from the hook. Each time you just find the next V along, wiggle your hook through, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And before you know it, you'll have a beautiful long chain of foundation single crochet. The only thing I would add is that when you are finished, you can tighten up this bit that you started with so it's a little bit neater and doesn't stick out as much. Trust me, by the time you finished your project, you won't even notice this, especially if you weave in that tail very well. But hopefully you have found this tutorial to be helpful. If you have any questions or anything that you'd like me to explain, any other tutorials that you would like me to make, then just drop me a comment below and I will see what I can do. Until next time, happy crocheting!